Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on ASANTE KOTOKO. Wow, we haven't won BEREKUM Chelsea in 10 years and we had the perfect opportunity to break that record and we couldn't. It was a very painful game, very painful game. I can tell you that it was a very frustrating. It felt like a defeat. We drew a game and felt like a defeat. This is the second time we've scored a goal and we can't preserve the goal. We can't even score more and we conceded and we settled for a point. 2 games, 2 draws, 2 points out of 6. I tell you, it is not good enough. It is not good enough, and I think ASANTE KOTOKO needs to step up. I don't know if it's because of the pitch. If you look at the pitch, you see that the pitch is just outrageous. Like, a potato farm is better than that particular pitch. I was stressed. Hold on. It's just how many minutes left? Few minutes left. Just hold on. Don't make any mistakes. Don't cause any foul. Hold on. If you want to put the ball in throwing, kick it out and put it in throwing. Just try not to make mistakes. But the free kick, Emmanuel Clotilde of all people scored a goal. Felix Annan, I hope his injury is not that serious, because he played very well and this draw felt, or it feels like a defeat. I'm very angry. You know, we scored a goal in the first half. The second half, we should have pushed for more, at least made them go back. You see some teams where you say, Mourinho, you defend. Some teams you defend and use counter-attack to win games. Some of them you do tiki-taka and you win games. KOTOKO has no style. We just play and hope for the best. It's not that we use the wing backs to create chances. It's not that we use the midfield. We just play anyhow, no tactic. Considering the quality of players we have, we are not playing to our full potential, and it doesn't feel right, because we should, with the quality of players we have, we should be walking this league at ease. Even if we are not winning games or we are drawing games, at least put out a very good performance that will tell the fans that, oh, we are unlucky, we should have done this, we were just unlucky. This one, the performance was just outrageous. Sorry, it was just disappointing, and I feel that the club, the coach, the players, everybody, we need to step up our performance. Out of the pitch, we've been playing very well, we've been doing very well, getting deals, rebranding the club, making a big name for the club. All of these things will be nothing if we don't perform well on the pitch, and that is the most important thing, performing well on the pitch. And if we don't do that, every outside pitch investment or movement or anything will be for nothing. So 1-1, Kwame Opoku scores the second goal of the season. Very good performance altogether again. 9 minutes go by, Emmanuel Clotilde denied us all 3 points. It's good. Some people say, oh, okay, let's give ASANTE KOTOKO time. Me, I don't want him to go. I'm just saying that he hasn't shown us that, oh, we are enjoying his style of play. We are enjoying the style of play, the formation and tactics he's employing at KOTOKO. We haven't seen a particular style that will say, oh, this is how ASANTE KOTOKO plays. Every game, different style of play. Every game, different approach to the game. It's just, we are confused. Most people are confused. I don't know about you. I'm confused. It was just a very disappointing game. You see, BEREKUM Chelsea will celebrate this like a win. You see, Emmanuel Clotilde scored and take off his shirt. I think KOTOKO fans will feel that this was like a defeat, because it was very disappointing. To me, it was disappointing. I didn't like the way the game ended at all. We just had to hold on for like 1 minute. Hold on for 1 minute. We couldn't hold on for 1 minute. Felix Annan got injured and left. I think when we considered that free kick, he will be sitting on the bench, and when the injury will be like, the pain will be like ×2, because he couldn't. Come on. I'm devastated. I am very angry with that performance. I'm not happy with that performance. I'll tell you that. We didn't do much in that game. It was a very disappointing performance. I hope we start producing results, because that was unacceptable. Some fans say, oh, okay, let's move on. If you do, let's move. We have to criticize and point out things that we don't like, so that it will improve the team, the coach, and everybody, so that they know that the fans are not happy with what they are doing, and they put out a very good performance in next game. Let's also don't accept Kotoko is the biggest club in Ghana. We shouldn't accept this kind of play or this kind of results. We should be working the league with the type of players we have. We have quality players. I think we have the highest wage bill in the whole Ghana. We should be the best team in Ghana, not drawing with small teams and all average teams. We should be working the league, and we should be putting out impressive performance. Even if we don't win, put out performance. I would say, oh, we tried, we did all we can, but we couldn't win. That is how we should be, because I should be the one pressuring the opponent in the dying moment of the game, not the opponent pressuring us in the dying moment of the game. It doesn't make sense. We're a big club here. We shouldn't be defending for our lives at the closing moments of every game. It doesn't even make sense. So I think we should step up. That is what I think. This game is just, it has spoiled my day. I don't think I can start this week in a very good way. It has spoiled my entire week. You know how you win a game, you say, oh, this week is going to be, this one, it has spoiled my week. How can you not defend a 1-goal lead for 2 minutes? I would like to know your thoughts on the game. Put that in the comment section. What do you think about the game? What do you think went wrong? I want to hear your thoughts about the game and your thoughts on Max Okonedo. So put that in the comment section. See you next time, guys. Peace out. Believable.